Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to apply your false lashes. So you need a pair of lashes, some mascara, and then lash glue. So let's get started. Uh, yeah. Uh, yeah. So first and foremost, you need like a small mirror that you can hold, and then you apply the mascara to your real lashes. And this mascara is really good because it gives like a not volume, but it gives length, which I'm missing on my real lash. So I'm taking the time to apply this so it can blend well with the false lashes, the Mink Lashes. So now it's time to apply it, and then I'm doing one by one. So to start, I just take one lashes and then apply this lash glue, which is in the tube. I like this tube, the tube form better, much better because it's so faster to do it. So I just apply it and then I wait like 10 to 20 seconds, not 10 to 20 seconds. I wait at least 30 seconds, but I just blow a little bit so it can be faster. And after that, I just apply it. So a little tip, I put my mirror down and I look down at the mirror, and then I just place the lashes so it can fall right in the middle of my eye. So you see, I already cut the lashes so it fits my eyes perfectly. So what I'm doing right now, I just look down and then I place the lashes without like making the glue go all over my eyeshadow and stuff. So yeah, and then I just place it on top and I start from the middle to the to the exterior, like and then I just work my way to the front of the lashes so everything blends well. So usually it dries up pretty quickly. So when I'm doing this method, it's like really quick. So that's the fastest way and the best way to do it.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
So those are like mink lashes. So once everything is done, I just take my eyeliner because I always wear eyeliner when I'm doing my makeup, always. So I just want to do that at the top. So I just put some eyeliner at the top of the lash so it blends well with the lashes, so it doesn't seem like it starts like right in the middle and you can see it. So I just have to take the time to apply it a little bit more in the front so everything blends well together and then we're done. So guys, we're at the end and I'm done with the look. Like so really look, I hope you learned something about how to apply false lashes, and like I said, this is all false like mink lashes, so you see it's resemble really well with my real lashes, except my real lashes is not long. So I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. So I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much guys for watching, and bye bye.